this time for you guys?
I think yet to come. A week after December 14.
Yeah.
Pag nalaman natin kung magkano yung kinita natin.
Ako yun na din.
Same.
Can it be something that happened already? One lang naman, it doesn't have to be the most,
Siguro, first namin ang pamilya ko na mag-out of the country. Lalo na yung mami ko, sa mga nakakaalam, may breast cancer po siya. So, first time din niya mag-abroad and tinreat ko sila ng parents ko. So, sobrang happy kasi nakapag-bonding kami kahit mga 2 weeks na. Okay. Ang nangyari po ito nung July, napunta po kami Australia. First time namin lahat. Hindi naman. Nakapag-ipon-ipon lang ng konti. Siyempre, ano ba naman? Hindi, ano ba naman, di ba, yung sa pamilya mo naman gagastusin lahat ng mga pinaghirapan mo dahil unang-una, kaya naman ako nagtatrabaho para sa kanila. So, sana lang maging okay yung mami ko tuloy-tuloy. Ayun lang ang pinaka-gusto kong mangyari and wish ko ngayong Pasko.
Siguro ako, being able to work with Disney, it was really an experience, and it's one of the most unexpected blessings that ever happened to me in my entire life, and it's something I'll be proud of forever. So, yung Disney.
Okay. Can you also share your Christmas and New Year plans?
Christmas Eve and New Year's Eve dito sa Manila with my family. Pero I'm going on a backpack trip with my brother sa Bali, Indonesia.
Ako, hindi pa decided pero hindi pa hirap eh. Hindi kasi merong regular show plus baka dito mag-Christmas pero yung New Year's baka magpunta kasi January 7 kasi merong wedding yung cousin ko sa States. So dadalhin ko yung family sana sa States ng New Year's. But kung papayagan ako ng GMA kasi may regular show nga. Ngayon kung hindi, kasi parang inaalaw ko kung 2 weeks lang or parang sayang lang, diba? Pagod and sayang din sa money dahil hindi ka rin naman tatagal. So, hindi pa. Pwedeng mag-Manila, pwede rin pumunta ng US. Thank you.
For me, Christmas, dito lang ako. Siguro after Christmas, we might go out on a trip. Probably in Europe.
I'm just spending Christmas here, and then we might go to Baguio as a family for New Year.
Wala, kasama lang yung family ko may Christmas and New Year. Normal, every year, gathering kasama yung mga relatives. So, hindi ako.